Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Shopmissa haul for you. I've got more jewelry than anything this time, which is funny because last time I said I didn't buy a whole lot of their jewelry anymore because I have so much of it that I don't wear. But I couldn't help it, you guys. It's all so cute and it's only $1, so I had to pick some stuff up. So hopefully you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up this time, and if you are, then just keep watching. So I will go ahead and show you all the jewelry first because it's a lot. It's kind of a lot. I have a few pairs of earrings. This first pair just look like this, and they are by Chloe Accessory. But I just thought they were really cute with the little, like, they're not diamond, but like little diamond studs here with the gold, and then like this champagne color. And I don't know if you can tell, but they're kind of glittery in there. But they had different colors of these as well, and I'm gonna have to switch these like I did with these ones. I picked these up on Shopmissa, and I actually put the hooks on them so I could wear them with my gauges. So I'm gonna do that with these as well, so I can wear these as well. But that actually worked perfectly. Like these ones are hooks, and I can just slip them in right in under my gauges. So I'm gonna do that again with these. But I thought they were really pretty. These actually would have looked really cute in my outfit today as well, but I had to throw on these little leopard earrings. Okay, the next pair I got are these. I thought these were really cute, and of course they had these in other colors as well, but I really liked this pale blue color. So yeah, I can't believe this stuff is only $1. They look really pretty. I mean, they might turn your ears colors, I'm not sure, but you can always just put like a coat of clear nail polish on them to prevent that from happening. But I thought these were really pretty. I loved the little rhinestones and everything. And I wanted some like different colors instead of getting all pink and everything, so I could wear it with different outfits. And then the next pair I picked up were these really cute, like, I don't even know what you want to call them, but they're like little raffia, I think it's called, but they're like little kind of little tassels with white beads, and they had these in other colors as well, but I figured that the white would go, you know, with pretty much anything. And I am able to wear these kind of earrings with my gauges as well, so that'll work out perfectly. And I'm definitely glad that I picked up some more earrings. I've been wanting to, you know, get some more use out of my jewelry, so hopefully getting some new stuff will get me back into wearing my stuff more often. Okay, the next pair of earrings I got are just these large rose gold hoops. And you know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. I'm just kidding. But I just thought these were really pretty, and I love the rose gold. And I don't have any hoops like this. So I just, you know, I needed a nice pair of hoops, so why not? And these I made sure that I can wear with my gauges as well, so I'm super happy about that. And they may have different sizes of these as well. I think they just posted a medium size, but I believe that these are the large hoops, so I definitely had to pick those up. Another pair of earrings here. I'm going to take out the packaging. I thought I was better prepared, but I am not. Okay, the next pair I got are just some of these little like geometric earrings here. And they had these in different colors as well. This is considered to be the gold. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like gold, like little flecks in there. I thought they were really pretty, and they had them in different colors like I said, but I really like the gold. I really like the shape of them. They're just really different. I just really like, you know, stuff that stands out, like a statement. Okay, I think that is all the earrings. Next I have a few necklaces and then some like hair clips. First I have this choker here. I thought this was super pretty. Now this one I did have to get in pink because it's so pretty, and of course they had other colors. Pretty much everything they had in other colors. Whether it's gold, then they probably had it in silver, or like stuff like this, they had it in other colors. But I wanted to get this in black as well, but they were sold out of the black one. But this is really pretty. The only thing is it's a little short, so I'm gonna have to like find a piece of chain to, like, you know, lengthen it a little more so it'll fit my neck. But I thought it was super pretty. It's like a velvet kind of band, and then just like this really pretty piece in the middle here. I thought it was super cute. And then this next choker I picked up, it's just this gold one, and it's got like iridescent like rainbow rhinestones in it. Hopefully you guys can tell. Like they're like rainbow colored, but I thought it was really pretty. Actually, let me take out the packaging so to see it without the glare. And I haven't tried this one on yet, so I'm hoping that this one will fit. It looks like it's got a pretty long chain, so I think this one will fit just fine, honestly. But yeah, I thought it was really pretty. Yeah, you can see it a little better there. And I believe that they had this in just plain silver with white rhinestones, plain gold with white rhinestones, and silver with rainbow rhinestones. And I'm really surprised that this one wasn't sold out yet because it's so pretty. I really love the rainbow rhinestones, so I had to pick that up for $1. I'm telling you guys, you can't beat this stuff. Okay, the next necklace I picked up. And again, I picked up all of this stuff while they were, this is actually two more orders that I placed, but they are like having their $1 shipping. It seems like every Tuesday and Wednesday now that they're having the $1 shipping, like Tuesday into maybe mid-Wednesday. But they're like coming out with new products and having their $1 shipping like every week now. So it's, I'm gonna go broke, but it's okay. It's okay. This stuff's only $1. But anyway, this next one I picked up is like this, I think they're actually separate. Yeah, looks like they're 3 separate necklaces, but of course I plan on wearing them all together as like a layered kind of piece. But it's just got this little rhinestone in this little diamond shape here, some gold diamond little shapes here, and then just a regular gold chain on the top. I think that's gonna look really cute layered. So I wanted to grab one of those, and they had this in silver as well. But I just, you guys know, I really like gold nowadays.
I love gold!
I never used to be a gold lady. Okay, and then last necklace I got, I thought this one was really cute and different. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this, but it's just another gold necklace, but it's actually a little nail with rhinestones on it. Hopefully you guys can tell, see the head of the nail there. I don't know why I like this. I just thought it was really cute and different, and I love the rhinestones on it, and I love the fact that it was gold, and I believe they had this in silver as well. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, so I went ahead and picked that one up as well. Okay, next a few hair barrettes I picked up. Actually, this first one is a set of bobby pins, and I really wanted the gold ones in these, but they were sold out. But the silver ones are just as pretty. Hopefully you guys can see without the glare. There we go. They're just silver rhinestone little bobby pins. It comes with 2 of them, and these are like really nice and sturdy bobby pins, so these are going to be really cute as like, you know, a little accent piece in your hair. So I had to pick up those. And then the next 3 barrettes are all the same, just different colors. I thought they were really pretty, so I had to pick up all 3 colors. The first one, of course, being pink. It's just a regular little hair barrette, kind of clips like that. And then, let me take it off of here. So just, you know, clips like this. So I thought that would be cute as like, you know, a little statement piece for your hair as well. So I had to pick up the little pink one. I got this one in black, and then this one is considered to be the gold one. It's kind of like a yellow gemstone. I just thought these were all really pretty, and I'm getting into, you know, the whole barrettes and phase, I guess, that's going on now. I'm jumping on that bandwagon, so I definitely had to pick those each up for $1. Okay, the next thing I picked up was just this little hand mirror. I thought this was super cute, and I'm glad I got this because it sold out pretty quick. But it's just this little hand mirror. I don't know if you guys could be able to tell, but it's got like the mermaid scales on it, but it's pink. It's like a light pink in between. And it's just a little mirror. And you know, they actually sent me 2 of these by mistake, so I think I'm going to go ahead and give one to my sister and probably stick it in her like Christmas goodie bag, but I feel like she could get some use out of one of these. But I just thought this was so cute, just a little hand mirror to have, you know, sitting out on display and just grab it when I need it. So I thought that was adorable. Okay, the next thing I picked up, you guys know I love these fans, so I had to pick up the leopard print one, and this one I'm actually going to keep in here to use to dry my setting spray. I'm just gonna hang it in here so I can use it, or this would actually look really pretty on the wall as decor. But they have like so many different kinds of fans, just like Dollar Tree does, and I just absolutely loved the leopard print one. It's got kind of like a silky, satiny kind of feel and look to it, so super pretty. Definitely had to pick that up. Okay, just one headband I grabbed. I thought it was so cute. I don't know why I keep buying headbands, because I don't really wear them that often either, unless I'm like, you know, wearing them to hold my hair back while I'm doing makeup. But I thought this one was adorable. This one is considered the blush pink. I think they had a light pink and a dark pink as well, but this one is the blush one. It's just got like this fuzzy little bow on it. I thought it was so cute. Even though I look like a child, but it's okay. It's so cute and soft. I probably will only wear this at home, but still, I mean, for $1, you can't beat it. So I had to pick this up. Super cute. The next thing I picked up, I've debated picking these up a few times. I don't know why, but I went ahead and just grabbed a pack. They are the shadow armors, and it's I think it comes with 7. Yeah, there's 14 of them, so it's 7 pairs. But basically, you know, you can put these on to catch any fallout from your eyeshadow, or I believe you can use these to kind of help with your liner, make it a little more straight, which is probably what I'll use it for, because I usually do my eye makeup before my face makeup anyway, so I don't have to really worry about fallout too much. But yeah, I just figured I would finally give these a try for $1. 7 pairs for $1 isn't too terrible. Okay, the next couple of things, they actually sent me these by mistake. I had ordered 2 of the AOA Studio velour highlighters. I ordered 2 of those, and they sent me these 2 mascaras by mistake. I don't know how it happened, but they ended up giving me a $2 credit, and I ended up getting the highlighters that I originally ordered. But anyway, they sent me the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara, which I've heard really good things about, so I'm kind of excited to try this. And they also sent me the AOA Studio Skinny Underlash Primer. And I saw that this was skinny, and I was kind of excited, but I didn't realize it was the primer. So, I mean, I'm gonna give it a try, honestly, obviously, because they sent it to me and it was basically free, so I'll give it a try. I do have the Essence lash primer that I really like, but I guess this one is specifically for your bottom lashes? I don't know, maybe it's for the top too, but I'm gonna give it a try, see how well it works, see if it's as good as the Essence one. The next thing I picked up was one of the Beauty Treats Sweet Treats lip balm, and I had to pick this one up because it's in Birthday Girl, so you know I had to get it because it was birthday cake scented. I mean, it doesn't really smell like birthday cake, which I'm kind of bummed about. I mean, it smells sweet, it smells kind of plasticky. It smells like Claire's makeup pretty much, but super cute packaging nonetheless. The dang light was washing everything out. I'm using natural lighting. Okay, the next few things, I grabbed 3 more of these Amuse lipsticks because I absolutely fell in love with the last few that I got. So this time I picked up, they're the ones that look like the old Revlon packaging, which I've mentioned before. I picked up the color Mermaid, Bear, and Petals. Petals? Yeah, Petals. This one looked a lot more pinky on the website, so it's a really pale pink. I don't know if I'll be able to wear it on its own. It's like really light, but I could mix this in with like a darker lip liner and kind of ombre it that way. I think that might look pretty. So that one is Petals. This next one is a Mermaid. Love that one. That one's absolutely gorgeous, like a beautiful mauve nude. And then the last one is Bear, which is kind of another mauve nude, but this one's just a tad darker. I absolutely love these lipsticks. Here we go. There's Petals, Mermaid, and Bear. Okay, so I picked up 1 more of the AOA Studio Powletters. I had picked up 3 of these last time, and this is the one that I'm not sure why I didn't get with the last batch, because this is one of the ones that I wanted. So, but anyway, this one is Cosmos, and it just looks like this. I'm a little confused though, because I've seen a picture of a girl wearing this on her face, and it's got like a nice pink like shift to it. But I don't see that at all when I swatch it myself. It's kind of weird, but it's still a gorgeous color nonetheless. See it there? It's like more gold than anything. I guess you can kind of see the pink, but it was like really pink in her picture. But anyway, for $1, it's still a gorgeous loose highlighter. They had released some new argan oil brush and sponge soaps, so I picked up one of the brush soaps. This one is in peach, and it just looks like this. It comes in this little tin here, and then it's just got this little like bar of soap in here, and it's kind of textured, so it like helps, you know, cleanse your brushes real good. This doesn't really smell like peach to me. Kind of smells like a cough drop. I mean, it's not terrible, but we'll see how well this cleans my brushes. And this was actually $1.55 because it's part of the Paw Paw collection. Yeah, part of the proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. So yeah, this is part of their like Paw Paw collection, which I think is really awesome. So I definitely had to pick up one of these. They had, I think, they had one other brush soap scent, and then they had 2 different sponge soap scents. So the peach one sounded the best to me, but it doesn't smell the best, sadly. But we'll see how well it works on my brushes. I almost forgot to show this. I also picked up this really cute pink dolphin pen. There we go. I don't know why. I love cute pens, and I saw this pink dolphin one, and I just had to have it. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but on here it says Hello Dolphin, and they have this in other colors as well, but you know me, I had to get the pink one. Thought it was super cute, and it's got like a nice, that's not what I wanted to do. It's got like a nice felt tip too, and it writes really nicely, so definitely had to pick up this little guy. Okay, so next I have 7 AOA Studio like velour mousse things. I don't know what they're called, but I have 2 of them are eyeshadows, and then 5 of them are highlighters. The 2 eyeshadows I picked up were actually named after Madonna songs. This one is called Holiday, and this one is called Lucky Star. And these are so pretty. These feel just like the ColourPop shadows, and they're so pigmented too. Like, you only need like the tiniest amount. Okay, so there's Lucky Star and Holiday. I definitely want to get the rest of these. I think there's like 6 or 7 more. Okay, and then the 5 highlighters I picked up, these are all named after Britney Spears songs. So this first one I have here is Toxic. There's Toxic there. And this one is actually really similar to this one called Circus. They're pretty much identical. They didn't look identical online, but they're pretty much identical in person. These 2 are kind of chunky because it seems like they've got some glitter in them, possibly. But there's Toxic and Circus. You can see they're like pretty much identical. Maybe this one might be a tad darker, but I feel like they're similar enough to where you don't need both. Okay, the next one I have here is called Crazy. It's like a purpley one. And there, that one is there. Kind of like a purpley white almost. Maybe like a little pinkiness to it. Okay, and this next one is Oops. This one looks white in the pan, but this one has that pink shift to it. There we go. And then the last one I have is called For You. And this is probably the most like neutral one. Most like everyday wearable one, I would say, because it's like a champagne goldy color. Where the other ones are like a pinky or a purpley. And there is For You. So these all swatch really nicely. And I'm excited to play with all of these. I definitely want to pick up more of the eyeshadows, like I said. But yeah, that was my haul, my entire Shopmissa haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I will continue to do more of these videos. Hopefully you saw some things you like, and if you did, I hope you can pick them up for yourselves, especially with that $1 shipping. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And again, that I've kind of been MIA, like I mentioned in my last video. I've had like, you know, some back trouble and pretty much been in bed, so trying to get back to normal. So hopefully I will be able to get some more content out for you guys, and I appreciate you all being patient with me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.